Seeking help for COVID-19. This video is brought to you by AgSafe, with the support of the Western Center for Agricultural Health and Safety, UC Davis, as part of the statewide program to create and disseminate educational materials related to COVID-19 health and safety. This video series includes the following topics. Number 1, understanding COVID-19. Number 2, COVID-19 protections to minimize risk. Number 3, seeking help for COVID-19. This video will cover steps to take if you are not feeling well and suspect exposure to COVID-19, workplace exposure, and your benefits. Not feeling well. If you experience any of the symptoms of COVID-19 that include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, diarrhea. It is important that you not go to work and contact your employer to let them know you have a COVID-19 symptom or symptoms. Your employer will provide you with guidance, including information for COVID-19 testing. Exposure to COVID-19. Your employer must let you know if you have been exposed to COVID-19 in your workplace. If you believe you have been exposed to COVID-19 or someone in your workplace has tested positive for COVID-19, your employer must refer you to COVID-19 testing if exposure was work-related. This testing would be at no cost to you and must be provided during your working hours. This means you should still be paid for the time it takes to get tested. Your company will provide specific details on steps to take in order to get tested. Benefits if exposed in the workplace. Your employer must provide you with information on your benefits that may include paid sick leave and workers' compensation if you were exposed to COVID-19 in the workplace. Your rights. Your employer is required to maintain a record of and track all COVID-19 cases. They must maintain medical information confidential. The records must be made available to employees, authorized employee representatives, or as otherwise required by law with personal identifying information removed. Review. In this video, we have discussed the following. Steps to take if you are not feeling well and suspect exposure to COVID-19. Workplace exposure and your benefits. Remember, we all have to work together to prevent COVID-19 from spreading. Do your part by wearing a face covering, washing your hands, keeping your distance, and getting vaccinated. Disclaimer. The content of this video is based on publicly available information. Such information is subject to change without notice, may be incomplete or condensed. Except where otherwise indicated, the information provided is based on matters as they exist as of the date of the video. Such information is provided as general information on the topics presented. Nothing presented in this video constitutes legal advice or opinion to participants or others viewing this material and is not a substitute for professional services. Every situation is different and subject to legislative activity and administrative or judicial changes in the law. Also note that the views or opinions expressed in the video do not necessarily reflect the views or opinions of AgSafe or express or imply compliance approval by UC Davis. This video was brought to you by AgSafe with the support of the Western Center for Agricultural Health and Safety, UC Davis, as part of the statewide program to create and disseminate educational materials related to COVID-19 health and safety.